Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll share 3 secrets on how to make the perfect crab cake. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. You will need 1 pound of lump crab meat, 15 saltine crackers, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To a large bowl, add your egg, Old Bay seasoning, and salt. Now add the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. Add the Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and parsley, then mix until well combined. Add the crab meat and the crackers, then mix until well combined. The first secret to the perfect crab cake is using crushed saltine crackers instead of breadcrumbs. The saltine crackers give a crispier, tastier texture, and they elevate the crab flavor perfectly. The second secret to making the perfect crab cake is allowing your mixture to sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour before forming your cake. This step allows the flavors to mingle and help the cakes hold their shape. After 1 hour, remove your bowl from the refrigerator and form your cakes. The third secret to perfect crab cakes is to top your crab cakes with butter. There's one more secret to perfect crab cakes. I'll get to that in a second. Transfer your baking dish to your preheated oven and allow them to cook for 15 minutes. The final secret to perfect crab cakes is to cook them at a high temperature. This will ensure the ultimate crispiness on the outside while leaving the inside moist and flaky. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making